Welcome and thanks for joining us for your market open on Real Investment News. I'm your host, Scarlett Fakar. Right now, the Dow is down about 30 points, S&P 500 down about 3, NASDAQ down 21, gold is up $1 to $12.7420. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, of course, yesterday closed above 24,000, smashing yet another milestone. The index first hit 23,000 barely a month ago. The Dow has spiked nearly 6,000 points since President Donald Trump was elected. It has notched 80 daily records over that period. The dollar is under pressure today after U.S. tax reform hit another hurdle in the Senate. Senate Republicans were hoping to get the bill approved easily this week, but concerns over cost has now brought it to another standstill. Republican Senator Bob Corker has made it clear that he will not vote for a tax bill that increases the deficit. U.S. crude futures were trading 0.5% higher at $57.70 per barrel this morning. This is after OPEC and other major oil producers, including Russia, agreed to extend their production cuts until the end of 2018. OPEC and its allies first agreed to slash output in late 2016. We'll keep you posted on that. Blue Apron co-founder Matt Salzberg has stepped down from his role as president and CEO, according to a company press release. He will be replaced by CFO Brad Dickerson. Shares of Blue Apron have now been struggling since the company went public at the end of June, falling close to 70%. In October, the company announced it was laying off hundreds of workers. That's 5% of its workforce total in a company-wide what they called realignment. Blue Apron is now up 2% at $3.05 a share following the news. CVS is very close to buying Aetna, according to the Wall Street Journal. Shares of the retail pharmacy giant CVS and the health insurer Aetna jumped in trading yesterday on that news. According to the report, a deal would most likely be valued at $200 to $205 per Aetna share. Aetna stock jumped 2% to as high as $192.37 a share after the report. A big merger like this, of course, would help the company stay neck and neck with Amazon. And finally, Broadcom is not planning to increase its $105 billion offer for Qualcomm ahead of a proposal next week to replace directors on its board, according to people familiar with the matter in a Bloomberg report. That report also added that Broadcom doesn't anticipate increasing its $70 a share offer until closer to Qualcomm's board meeting in March. Broadcom plans to nominate directors to Qualcomm's board ahead of a December 8th deadline. And that is your market open here on Real Investment News. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. We'll have that mid-morning market report coming up in just a bit.